Hello, Section 7.1 IPv6 EIGRP. Configure EIGRP version 6 as number 1 between R1, R2, 528, switch 1 and switch 2. Advertise the loopback 0 networks of these devices natively into EIGRP version 6. Okay, we have to configure EIGRP version 6 on these devices. Then advertise loopback 0 network into EIGRP. We can configure EIGRP version 6 in two modes. One is traditional mode and the other one is named mode. So let's review these two EIGRP configuration. To configure EIGRP version 6 traditional mode, we first have to enable IPv6 routing by this command. This command will enable IP version 6 routing on our favorite devices, for example it's router or layer 3 switch. Then configure our EIGRP by this command IPv6 .EIGRP or AS number. For example, we have to use AS number 1 here. Then we have to enable our EIGRP by no shot command under this router configuration. Then to advertise our network, for example to advertise loopback 0, we first have to go interface level configuration. For example, here we have to type interface loopback 0 or all physical interfaces, for example interface loopback fast Ethernet 00 or whatever it is. We first have to go into interface level configuration. Then we have to advertise EIGRP by this command IPv6 EIGRP or EIGRP AS number, for example 1 here. This is traditional mode EIGRP configuration. This so simple. And to verification, we can type this command show IPv6 EIGRP neighbor. This is to verify our neighbor. It is up or down. Show IPv6 EIGRP topology. This is our topology. To see our topology, EIGRP version 6 topology, and to see our interfaces if EIGRP is enabled on our interfaces by this command show IPv6 EIGRP interface command. And this is for our routing, show IPv6 route EIGRP. One important note is that in traditional EIGRP mode we can't use VRF. For if we want to use IPv6 VRF, we have to use EIGRP named mode. IPv6 VRF is not supported in traditional EIGRP. This is so important to remember. IPv6 VRF is not supported in traditional EIGRP. Okay, for EIGRP named mode configuration, we have to first enable our virtual instance by router EIGRP virtual instance. This is virtual instance name. For example, EIGRP or whatever other name it is. This is virtual instance name. Then on the EIGRP global configuration, we have to type this command address family IPv6 unicast autonomous system R number or AS number. This is our ASN number. For IPv6 we can use IPv4 instead of IPv6. This is this is for IPv6 configuration. And to advertise networks, on the address family IPv6 autonomous system number, we first have to type or choose our favorite interface. For example, AF interface loopback 0, or what are the physical interfaces. AF interface loopback 0, and type no shot to enable IPv6 EIGRP, or to advertise IPv6 in EIGRP. This will we have to first to advertise IPv6. We have to go address family IPv6, then go AF interface, then type no shot. And to verify our configuration, we can use this command: show EIGRP address family IPv6 AS number 9 show EIGRP address family IPv6 AS number, for example 1, interface and topology. Okay, there is one good document in Cisco website. This is traditional configure EIGRP named mode. With documentation. This is traditional EIGRP and EIGRP named mode. In traditional EIGRP, IPv6 web is not supported. Okay, there is one good command for converting traditional EIGRP into named EIGRP mode. This, if we want to convert our traditional EIGRP to named mode, we can use EIGRP update .cli command. This will and our virtual interface name, virtual instance name. This command will convert our traditional EIGRP into named mode. This, for example, this is traditional EIGRP configuration, EIGRP our network interface, and to convert this traditional to named mode, we go to EIGRP global configuration with the EIGRP 1 and type EIGRP update-cli. This is our virtual instance name, for example test, and yes, this will convert our traditional to named mode. Okay, let's configure our EIGRP version 6 in traditional EIGRP mode. So topology, we have to configure on R1 and R2. Let's start with R1. Up to configure EIGRP. For configuring EIGRP traditional mode, we have to first enable IPv6 unique as routing. So let's create a template for the configuration. This is routing. Then we have to enable our EIGRP. This EIGRP, we have to choose number 1 here. This is number 1. Then we have to enable by no shot, and then for advertising our network, we have to go our interface, level, find what interface is, and type EIGRP, IPv6 EIGRP, or EIGRP number 1. Okay, first we have to advertise our loopbacks. Let's see what are interfaces for our one. We have one for loopback 0. We have to add the loopback 0. This is the EIGRPs1. Okay, let's okay, we have to advertise loopback 0. Then the other one is this interface, Ethernet 1.121. This is one other interface. The other one is this one, and this one 1.122 and 1.12. We have to advertise these 4 interfaces into our EIGRP. Okay, let's just show IP interface brief. One is loopback 0. One is this one. Interface. Copy this one, yeah. Okay. Mom. The other one is this one. And the other one is 1.12. Should be this one, this level, this interface. This is the the 1, 2, 3, and 4. We first enable IPv6 routing, then we conquer EIGRP by IPv6 got the EIGRP RS number, enable it for no shot. Then and to advertise our network, we go into interface level and type IPv6 EIGRP RS numbers. this photo. Copy this one. Okay. Okay, we have to configure the EIGRP. This is R1. We have R2 there. R2. Show IP interface brief. With R2 we have loopback, this interface, and this interface. Two to one. One tone is the same and the other one are different. This is 2 to 1 and 2 to 2. This is 2, 2 and 1, 2 is the same. This is our loopback. 1, 3. Okay. Now let's go on our 5. Short interface brief. And let's button. We have one loopback, one interface here and one interface here. We have 3 interfaces. 1.56 and 1.57. This is our 5. 150. Okay, the other one are 6. Loopback, this interface and this interface. This is 1.56 and 1.68. Seven and 8, we have 2 interfaces. One is loopback and this interface. This is one loopback and this interface. This is 56. This is 57. This is 57. Work on our 68. Then we have to conquer switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, let's switch 1. Okay, we have interface interface VLAN here. This is interface VLAN 1 to 1 and interface VLAN 2 to 1. And switch 1. That's another switch network. This is our switch network. We have interface VLAN here. This one and this one. Okay. This is interface VLAN 1 to 1 and interface VLAN 1 to 1 and 2 to 1. So switch 1 and in switch 2 we have these two interfaces and loopback. Interface VLAN 1 to 2 and interface 1 to 2. Okay, this is this VLAN. This should be 2 here. Okay. Okay, now let's verify our EIGRP version 6, the additional mode configuration. and session. Okay, to verify, this is our verification. Come on, Sharpie. This is the switch our neighbors. Show IPv6 EIGRP neighbor. Come on. Okay, let's start this one there. Okay. Okay, on our one we have 3 neighbors. Only this is our neighbors. This is up. So the 3 link. This is our interfaces. 3 interfaces that are connected. This is true. On our 2 we have 3 network. This is correct. 1, 2, and 3. So these interfaces. On our 5 we have 2 physical interfaces. This is correct. 2. On our 6 we have 2. We have 2 here. 7 we have 1. This is 1. On 8 we have 1 either. This is 1. On switch 1 we have 2. This is correct. This is interface VLAN. On switch 2 we have 2 physical interfaces. And we have advertiser our loopback 0. Let's verify. If we have advertiser this network by show IP root EIGRP show IP version 6 show IPv6 root EIGRP EIGR Okay, now it's up. Okay, this is our This is the loopback of R2, that is advertised, and this is let's see, and so on. Okay. This is loopback of router 1, that is advertised either, and these are for switch 1 and switch 2. These are loopback of switch 1 and switch 2 that is advertised. Loopback on R7, if we can check, this is for R5, R6 and 8. 6, 5 and 8. This one 5, 6 and 8. That I advertise it. With 5, 6 and 7. Loopback of 5, 6 and 7. If we can switch to, let's verify switch to network. Well, this is for router 1, router 2 and switch 1. For switch 1 loopback, IPv6 loopbacks. We can ping this network. This. Okay, this is work. This is the loopback of R2. Now switch 1. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for being.